Drones for teenagers open the skies to boundless creativity and adventure, transforming ordinary afternoons into thrilling explorations of the world from a breathtaking aerial perspective. In this video, we are going to look at the top 5 drones for teenagers available on the market today and tell you which one is best for you. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing in the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best drones for teenagers. The 5th product on this list is the Holystone HS360S. Meet a sleek, foldable quadcopter that weighs under 0.5 pounds, eliminating the need for FAA or remote ID registration. It features a 1/4 CMOS Galaxy Core sensor and an 85-degree wide-angle lens, allowing you to capture stunning 3840 by 2160 pixel photos and shoot breathtaking 4K videos, all controlled by a handy remote or the app. Talk about creativity at your fingertips. Talking about the app, the enhanced remote controller connects to your smartphone with one data cable, enabling real-time image streaming without Wi-Fi, perfect for sharing on social media. Now let's talk about range. With an impressive 10,000-foot control range, the HS360S offers an extensive exploration experience. Powered by Holystone's advanced intelligent control system, it comes with a modular battery, providing 20 minutes of flight time. Also, safety is paramount with this device, as it features a precise GPS positioning for stable flight and a return home function, ensuring a safe journey back with low battery or connection loss. Furthermore, the HS360S is loaded with intelligent recording modes like Spiral Up, Catapult, and One Tap Ascension. Just tap once and let the drone handle the flying and filming. The Holystone HS Fly app continually upgrades for an enhanced flight experience, and their support is readily available for assistance. So there you have it, the HS360S with 4K UHD camera, your ticket to endless aerial adventures. Its pros are: it has a foldable design, making it easy to transport and store. The camera is capable of capturing 4K video and has motorized adjustments for pitch, and the drone can maintain a stable hover using GPS signals. However, its cons are: the drone lacks obstacle avoidance features, which may pose a risk of collision, and it may be less intuitive for users who prefer physical controls. The Holystone HS360S is an all-in-one solution for individuals who want a feature-rich, user-friendly drone for creative content creation, exploration, and the thrill of flying. Up next, in 4th place, is the Potensic ATOM SE. Picture this, a drone with an astonishing 62 minutes of flight time from its 2 intelligent 2500 milliamperes for 1-hour batteries. You can explore the skies without constantly worrying about recharging. With the ATOM SE, we are also talking about 2.4 miles of first-person view transmission, a brushless motor, and a maximum speed of 52 feet per second. Plus, it's got the nifty auto return feature. And did I mention it's lightweight and foldable? Perfect for adults and beginners alike. The ATOM SE comes equipped with a 4K electronic image stabilization camera, capable of shooting 12-megapixel photos and 4K video at 30 frames per second. The exclusive Shake Vanish technology ensures smooth and stable shots within its 118-degree field of view. From capturing stunning landscapes to epic action shots, this camera's got you covered. Flight performance is where this drone truly shines. With the Surge Fly flight control system, you get beginner mode, normal mode, and sport mode. In sport mode, this baby can reach a max speed of 52 feet per second in just 2.8 seconds. Moving on, this device features GPS auto return, ensuring your drone safely makes it way back to you when it's lost signal or running low on power. Plus, it comes with awesome features like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Circle Flight, adding a whole new dimension to your aerial adventures. Connecting your devices is a breeze with Wi-Fi technology, and the Pix Sync 2.0 ensures stable video transmission up to 2.4 miles. Whether you're using iOS 11 or Android 7.0, Potensic has got you covered. And with 3 adapter cables, micro, Type-C, and Lightning, you can connect your phone to the remote control hassle-free. If you're an enthusiast or a beginner looking to up your drone game, this might just be the one for you. Its pros are: it is extremely lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry and travel with. The drone features a 4K electronic image stabilization camera, capable of shooting high-quality photos, and the GPS auto-return feature ensures the drone safely returns to the takeoff point. However, its cons are: the camera control is limited, with control over exposure compensation only. The absence of mechanical stabilization may impact the overall stability of video footage. The Potensic ATOM SE packs a serious punch with its lightweight design, powerful camera, and impressive flight features, making it suitable for anyone looking to up their drone game. Still haven't found a drone for teenagers that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The third product on this list is the Ruko U11 PRO. Let's explore the world of aerial adventures with the Ruko. Thanks to its sleek black design and elegant lines, this drone is not only a tech marvel, but also a style statement. It's packing some serious features. First off, it's FAA remote ID compliant, so you can fly worry-free, knowing you're following all the rules. With a control range of up to 1,640 feet and first-person view transmission up to 984 feet, you're set for breathtaking aerial captures. And the cherry on top, a flight time of 26 minutes. Next, let's talk about the heart of this beast, the camera. The U11 PRO captures stunning 4K UHD videos and photos, making every moment epic. Want to impress your social media followers? This drone is your ticket. With GPS auto return and a reliable connection, safety is sure, so you can focus on the fun part, flying. Worried about battery life? Fear not. 2 batteries mean you can double your flight time. Just swap them out and you're good to go. Whether you're soaring through the great outdoors or taking flight inside, the U11 PRO is your companion for flying fun. It's beginner-friendly, making it an ideal first drone. Check out the user manual and quick guide for a smooth takeoff. Plus, Ruko offers a free warranty extension, a 30-day money-back guarantee, and a whopping 12-month warranty for quality-related issues. If you're ready to capture breathtaking moments and have a blast flying, this is the drone for you. Its pros are: its high-quality camera ensures crisp and clear aerial shots, it provides an ample amount of time for extended flights, and the drone offers a control range of up to 1,640 feet, providing flexibility for capturing shots from a distance. However, its cons are: the drone might be slightly heavier for younger or inexperienced users, and the drone requires about 2.5 hours to fully charge, which can be inconvenient for users eager to back-to-back flights. The Ruko U11 PRO, with an impressive flight time, a stellar camera, and affordability, is a top contender in the drone world. The second product on this list is the DJI Mini 2 SE. We are diving into the DJI Mini 2 SE, a lightweight mini drone that's been making some serious waves. Stick around to find out if it's the perfect gadget for your adventures. Now, the DJI Mini 2 SE has been turning heads for a reason. It's a sleek, compact drone designed for beginners and enthusiasts alike. With features like a high-quality camera, extended flight time, and advanced transmission capabilities, it promises to be a unique innovation in the world of mini drones. Recording crisp 2.7K video at 30 frames per second with 8-bit SDR color keeps your footage steady with a 3-axis gimbal. This drone comes in a stylish gray color, and being from DJI, you know it will look sleek. Weighing in at less than 8.78 ounces, this drone is perfect for the on-the-go adventures. Whether you're hiking, road tripping, or just out exploring, you can easily capture stunning aerial moments from above. Moreover, the DJI Mini 2 SE offers an impressive 31-minute max flight time, which is higher than the HS360S, ATOM SE, and Ruko U11 PRO, giving you more time in the air to explore and create. And if you go for the combo, you'll get 2 extra intelligent flight batteries, totaling up to 93 minutes of flight time. Get ready for a 6.2-mile max transmission range. That's right, fly farther and capture more with DJI OcuSync, offering enhanced transmission and stronger anti-interference capabilities compared to Wi-Fi. Worried about windy conditions? No need. The DJI Mini 2 SE boasts 23.6 miles per hour wind resistance, ensuring stable flights even in breezy conditions. With simplified operations and a return-to-home function for added safety, it's easy to learn and master quickly. If you're new to drones, this one's got your back. Its pros are: The drone's palm-sized and lightweight design make it highly portable. It captures silky smooth video at 30 frames per second, delivering high-quality aerial footage, and both the drone and remote support USB-C charging. However, its cons are: the absence of obstacle detection features means users need to exercise caution when flying low to the ground to avoid collision, and it does not include hyperlapse features, limiting advanced time-lapse capabilities. If you're looking for a starter drone that doesn't compromise on quality, the DJI Mini 2 SE, with its blend of affordability and impressive features, might just be the one for you. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top drone for teenagers is the HOVERAir X1. The HOVERAir X1 stands out as the premier drone for teenagers, merging portability and user-friendly technology into one lightweight package. Weighing less than an iPhone at just 4.41 ounces and requiring no FAA registration, it epitomizes convenience and readiness for adventure with its foldable design. This self-flying camera drone excels with features like palm takeoff, intelligent flight paths, follow me mode, and a foldable action camera, all designed to launch directly from your palm in 3 seconds with a simple click, streamlining the experience by removing complicated setups. With 32 gigabytes of internal storage, it offers ample space for capturing memories. Dive into a world of automated and intelligent flight paths, including hover, follow, zoom out, orbit, and bird's eye views, transforming the drone into your personal aerial videographer. Perfect for adrenaline junkies, it boasts advanced tracking capabilities and speeds up to 15 miles per hour, making it ideal for capturing high-speed action. The camera doesn't disappoint either, supporting 2.7K videos at 30 frames per second and 1080p HDR, coupled with triple stabilization for impeccably smooth footage of your adventures. The HOVERAir X1 is not just a drone. It's a gateway to capturing thrilling moments from the skies above with unparalleled ease and clarity. Its pros are: it is designed with user-friendliness in mind, making it accessible even for beginners. It features a convenient palm takeoff and landing function, adding to its ease of use. The drone offers pre-programmed flight paths, enhancing the flying experience, and it can keep up with subjects at speeds of up to 15 miles per hour, making it suitable for various activities like making BMX and skateboarding videos. However, its manual flight control is not as robust, with restrictions on flight distance and altitude, limiting its capabilities for those who prefer manual piloting. The HOVERAir X1 self-flying camera is ideal for teens as it is designed for enthusiasts and adventurers seeking a lightweight and user-friendly drone experience. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.